Buckle up, gearheads. This countdown is all about leveling up your reach with the best folding step stool. From compact and portable to rock solid and heavy duty, we're counting down the top 5 folding step stools you can add to your toolkit today. Get ready to discover designs that save space, improve safety, and make kitchen, garage, or workshop tasks feel effortless. Today, I'm going to be going over the best folding step stool that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the generic toddler step stool. This compact plastic stool is designed to be inviting for little helpers at the sink or counter. It often features a small square platform, roughly 6 by 6 inches, with a textured surface to prevent slipping. Wide base and integrated handles give a sense of security for curious toddlers while allowing parents to guide their reach. The construction is typically BPA-free high-impact plastic that resists bending under light, everyday use. Weight is light, usually under 2 pounds, so kids can carry it short distances or slide it under vanity when not in use. When folded, the stool becomes a slim profile option, sometimes folding flat to less than an inch in thickness, which makes it easy to stash under a sink, inside a cabinet, or in the linen closet. Cleaning is straightforward with a quick wipe down to remove toothpaste splatters or watermarks. The top surface often has a gentle lip or anti-slip grip to help tiny feet land securely. Legs include non-slip feet that grip bathroom tiles or wood floors, improving stability in a busy household. The design emphasizes child-friendly aesthetics and cost efficiency, making it a strong choice for families with growing kids who need a reliable stepping aid for brushing teeth, washing hands, or reaching the bathroom sink. Durability is adequate for regular daily use, but it is not built for long-standing or heavy-duty tasks. Many batches use bright colors and rounded edges to minimize sharp corners, which is a priority for households with toddlers. Parents appreciate that the stool stores nearly flat when not in use and can be wiped down after meals or bathroom spills. A simple hinge or folding mechanism keeps the footprint tiny, which helps when space is at a premium in small bathrooms or apartments. Stool is designed for quick, confident use by little hands, and it doubles as a teaching tool about independence in everyday routines. It is easy to sanitize, simple to assemble, and forgiving for first-time climbers who are learning to judge their own reach. Materials are chosen for safety and longevity, with smooth edges and well-sealed joints that resist cracking under daily bathroom humidity. For parents balancing price and practicality, this model remains an accessible entry point into the world of stepping stools while still offering reliable support for small tasks around the house. Compared to the handy laundry folding step stool, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the generic toddler step stool prioritizes a smaller footprint and lower price over taller reach or heavier construction. At number 4, we have the handy laundry folding step stool. This versatile unit pairs a sturdy foldable frame with a comfortable non-slip top surface that makes every reach feel secure. The core is a metal or alloy frame that uses cross-brace support to resist wobble, while the non-slip feet grip a range of floor materials, from glossy tile to slick wood. The top platform is wide enough to stand on with both feet planted firmly, typically in the 12 to 16-inch range, depending on the model, and it often features a textured tread to minimize foot slide. And not in use, the stool folds down into a compact rectangle that slips easily into a cabinet or storage closet. The folded profile is designed to be only a few inches thick, which is a boon for small spaces and shared kitchens. The weight of this unit sits in a practical middle ground, commonly around 6 to 9 pounds, making it manageable for most people to move but sturdy enough to feel trustworthy when stepping up to reach high shelves. In use, the two main advantages are stability and a generous standing surface, with a weight rating that covers most household tasks without hesitation. Durability is enhanced by the way the rungs are molded or riveted, ensuring there is little flex under load. Design often includes a soft lip on the top edge and a curved front edge to minimize pinches for fingers or toes. Cleaning is straightforward given the metal surface and plastic treads, allowing quick wipes for spills or crumbs. It is a popular choice for bathrooms, kitchens, and laundry rooms due to its balance of price, portability, and reliability. Compared to the Delxo folding step stool, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the handy laundry model emphasizes a friendlier price point and a slightly lighter feel while offering a robust, two-scene folding action. At number 3, we have the Delxo folding step stool. This compact, foldable design focuses on a sturdy frame and a comfortable standing surface that makes everyday tasks feel a little more approachable. The frame often uses aluminum or coated steel, providing a lighter feel without sacrificing rigidity. Anti-slip tread on the top helps keep feet in place as you climb. The edges are rounded and smooth to reduce snags on clothing or fingers. When opened, the stool presents a secure, two-stage or single-step configuration, depending on the model, with a platform wide enough to distribute weight evenly and a front edge shaped to minimize toe crowding. Fold mechanism locks into place, then collapses flat with a small, simple action that fits into tight storage spaces. The folded size is compact, allowing it to be tucked behind a cabinet or slid under a bed for easy access. Weight capacity tends to be generous for household use, commonly supporting a typical adult reach for tasks like changing light bulbs, cleaning ceiling fans, or reaching the upper shelf. Durability features include reinforced joints, non-slip feet, and rust-resistant finishes that stand up to humid bathrooms and kitchens. In terms of design philosophy, the Delxo model strikes a balance between portability and stability, ensuring a stable stance even on slick floors. Compared to the Acco folding step stool, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the Delxo folding step stool tends to offer a taller, sturdier build and a more robust feel, which appeals to users who need higher reach and occasional heavier use. At number 2, we have the Acco folding step stool. This budget-friendly, compact option emphasizes portability and ease of storage, with a lightweight frame and a shallow fold that makes it a natural fit for cramped bathrooms, kitchens, or dorm rooms. The top surface is typically textured to reduce foot slip, and the edges are rounded for safety. The frame often relies on a steel or aluminum alloy with riveted joints that lock into place when open. Common attribute across models is a small footprint when folded, making it easy to slide under sinks or into a linen closet and grab on a busy morning. The stool usually accommodates everyday tasks with a reasonable weight limit that covers most adults for tasks like washing dishes, changing a light bulb, or reaching a high cabinet without strain. Durability is practical rather than premium, with the emphasis on reliable performance at a low price point. The non-slip feet help it stay put on tile, wood, or vinyl, though you may still want to lean on a stable surface for very tall reaches. Leaning is simple thanks to its smooth plastic or metal surfaces that wipe down quickly after spills in the kitchen or bathroom. For smaller spaces, this stool becomes a versatile assistant that travels from one room to another with minimal effort. Compared to the Utopia Home folding step stool, which I have included as number 1 on this list, the Acco folding step stool offers a smaller footprint and a lighter feel with a more budget-friendly price, but it generally carries a lower weight capacity and a shorter reach. At number 1, we have the Utopia Home folding step stool. This model emphasizes a sturdy build with a dependable, long-lasting frame and a broad, grippy top surface designed for confident footing. The frame is typically steel or heavy-duty alloy that resists bending, while the hinges allow the unit to fold into a compact envelope for storage in a cabinet, under a bed, or behind a door. Standing surface is generously sized, distributing weight across a wide area to minimize pressure points on the foot. Non-slip feet provide stability across a variety of floors and resist shifting when you step up or down. Unit often supports a higher weight rating than entry-level stools, which makes it suitable for tasks that demand a firmer stance. The double-step design found in some variants gives access to higher shelves while maintaining a low folded depth. Leaning is straightforward, with smooth surfaces that wipe clean and tolerate humid environments like kitchens and bathrooms. The ergonomic touch points and smooth edges help reduce the risk of accidental scrapes. When folded, this option locks securely and remains compact enough to store in a narrow closet or behind a door, ready for quick use on weekend projects or daily routines. Durability, stability, and a wider stance are the hallmarks of this model, making it a reliable choice for adults who need extra reach or a robust stool for painting, cleaning, or general maintenance. Compared to the generic toddler step stool, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the Utopia Home folding step stool offers a taller reach, a stronger build, and higher overall weight capacity, making it the top pick for households that need a